The 3D Model tab in LEGO offers a unique way to visualize activity in the target region. The selected probe wireframe is shown here, and filling in the stereotactic coordinates of the target location will show the probe in the desired brain region on screen. A few seconds after online spike sorting has been turned on, spheres of various sizes and colors will appear over the probe wireframe's recording sites. The size of the spheres indicates the spiking frequency, and the color is tied to a specific neuron which has been labeled and sorted. For instance, one of this probe's tip sites shows a large green sphere. This is electrode site number 49. And when looking at the Neurons tab, we see that this chart shows A49 with a subscript of 4. A49 refers to head stage port A, site number 49, and the neuron detected on this site has been labeled 4. These colors and labels are unified across the entire application, regardless of which screen is in use. Toggling on the site signal metrics will color the recording sites on the wireframe according to the heat map using the selected metric, in this case, which is signal to noise. Choose from more than 15 different metrics as needed. Visuals for the brain volume and atlas slice views can be turned on or off as well. Lastly, many of the toolbars and configuration panels throughout a LEGO can take up significant amounts of screen space. Most of these bars and features can be hidden after configuration is complete across these different views in a LEGO. Just hit the arrow buttons as shown to hide and unhide the columns.